Hey guys, welcome to my beginner vlogging series. Today I will show you how to start vlogging using just your phone. Tip number 1. Always face the light. Natural sunlight makes your video look clean and clear. Tip number 2. Keep your camera at eye level. It helps you look confident on screen. Tip number 3, add simple B-roll shots like your surroundings to make your vlog more interesting. Tip number 4, edit your video using free apps like CapCut. Add text, music, and clean cuts to level up your vlog. If you want part 2, drop a comment. More vlogging tips coming soon.